So you guys may or may not know, but we recently released new wireless access points here at Sophos. So these are the APX series. So I got a little care package here because my two 740 APXs just arrived, and I thought this might be a good idea, maybe to do a little unboxing video here. And I'm definitely gonna get at least one of these bad boys installed today to replace the wireless access point that's up there. I'll give you guys a little picture of what that looks like right now. So that bad boy is gonna go. We're gonna put in one of these new 740 APXs at Sophos. So yeah, let's take a look, see what's in this thing. Get that out of the way. That. And let's open this. All right, there we go. So we'll pretty cool little box. It's hard to see it. You might not be able to see it right here. I can zoom in it. There's a little Sophos tagline sitting right there. Sophos Security Made Simple. Just at first glance, if you've ever had like an iPhone or an iPad and you know what those boxes feel like, this is a very similar feel. So when you pop this open, right here on the back of the lid are actually instructions on how to connect this bad boy. So these things can be connected and managed by an XG firewall. You can also just plug them in right into your internet connection. You can manage them right from your Sophos Central account, which is what I'm going to plan on doing with this guy. Even though I've got an XG firewall there in my office, I want to see what this looks like in terms of managing in my central instance. So that's pretty much what I'm going to do. Once you pop that lid open, there's a little pull tab here. When you pull this pull tab out, you've got your access point. So nice square flush mount access point on the back. Just a couple ports. There's a console port, 2 Ethernet ports. These are PoE powered. The access point that I've got installed is as well too. So I'm ready to go there. It should be pretty easy to plug this thing in and get it powered up. There's a serial number on these guys. All you got to do is just plug in your serial number into Sophos Central, register it, and away you go. In case you need it on the inside, there's a quick start guide, safety instructions, and the flush mounts. We do include a mount in here, it looks like. Looks like it hangs up right like that. Yeah, I say slides right in like that. So I'm gonna have to get this installed before I get this thing up on the ceiling as well. But as you guys can see, it's fairly straightforward. Inside here, there's screws and wall mounts as well too for the mounting plate. That's it. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward box. Wireless access point, mount plate, screws, internet connectivity, done. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed and fire it up. Hopefully this thing will cover the entire house here, 3,000 square feet. This is the 4x4 antenna one, so it should. I've got this second one, which I can throw all the way in the back corner of the house, and that'll actually allow me to cover the entire back pool and the entire back patio when we're out there partying. So yeah, so that's the game plan. I think it's time for me to get up on a ladder and get that old access point down, get this new one installed. All right, guys, so I finished installing the access point, so let's hop on up here. You can take a look at it real quick. Wireless access point. It actually went in pretty easy. And really just 2 screws, wall mount, put the plate on, slide it in, connect the Ethernet port, and away you go. Once you plug the serial number into your Sophos Central account, as soon as this thing initializes and powers up, it'll call into your Central account, create your SSIDs, and away you go. So literally this house is hot and the coverage on this thing is fantastic. I literally went all the way across the street into my neighbor's driveway, streaming a YouTube video off of this one 740 APX. So I got high hopes for the second one. I'm gonna stick in the back of the house there. Definitely should cover the pool patio. So yeah, that's pretty much the completion. So there's only one more thing left to do.